Warm greetings to all. Today we have the privilege of hosting Alka Vishwas Mulki ji, who has been associated with the art of living for over 30 years now. And she has been blessed to be a Kal Gyani. Today's podcast is to simplify what is scanning or Kal Gyan technique. I welcome you, Alka ji. So to begin with, I want you to simplify for a layman what actually Kal Gyan or scanning is.
So Kal Gyan or scanning is looking into the past, present and future of a person. It's scanning into time. So when you sit with a Kal Gyani, they are able to tell something about your past, something about your present and also something about your future. So it can be very interesting.
Oh my God. So since it is one of the courses or curriculum of Art of Living, does one have to do an Art of Living course to be eligible to attend it?
So it's amazing. You don't necessarily have to be a part of the Art of Living to get a Kal Gyan session done. कोई भी इसका भागीदार बन सकता है. कोई भी ये session कर सकता है. So and it's open for all.
And is there any age criteria?
So ideally 18 plus के लिए हम बोलते हैं, पर अगर बच्चों को भी ये करवाना हो तो उनके पेरेंट्स के गाइडेंस में रहकर कर सकते हैं.
So now I want to understand a few things about the mindset and process with which a person can come. So my question here would be, what kind of mindset should a participant bring into the session so that it is the most effective?
आई थिंक जो पार्टिसिपेंट ये करने आते हैं बस एक खाली मन से आए और इस भाव से कि अच्छा ये सेशन के बाद मुझे कुछ ना कुछ गाइडेंस मिलेगा जिससे मुझे पास्ट फ्यूचर कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में क्लैरिटी मिलेगा. सो विद दैट दे कैन कम इनटू दिस सेशन.
अब आप जो बता रहे हो तो उससे ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि उन्हें कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहें, तो क्या उन्हें कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके आनी है?
I think better they come without any expectations because this is going to be like a surprise. You know, कई बार हम सुपरमार्केट जाते हैं, एक लिस्ट लिख के जाते हैं, पर सुपरमार्केट में उसके अलावा और बहुत चीज़ें होती है. So why come with just few things? Better just come and experience भाई इसमें आपको क्या मिलने वाला है. Don't restrict yourself to any expectations.
So you also mentioned that you get to see their past, present, future and you get to answer questions. तो बहुत कुछ ऐसा पता लगता होगा.
Yes, definitely. बहुत कुछ पता लगता है और उनको हेल्प भी बहुत करता है. कई बार जीवन में ऐसी परिस्थितियाँ स्थिति होती है और आपको लगता है यार ऐसा क्यों है या मेरे साथ ही ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. तो जब काल ज्ञान के सेशन होते हैं, लॉट ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस आर आंसर्ड एंड इट ब्रिंग्स अ लॉट ऑफ सोलेस टू पीपल.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी दीदी?
So ideally, a Kal Gyani or a scanner will not share with anyone what they see or speak about someone. Yes, but if you like to share your experience, you are more than free to do so.
You must have had one or two profound experiences that if you could share anything with our audience.
So getting one is very difficult. There are a lot of such amazing experiences जो लोगों को हुए हैं. एक बार एक सेशन में हमने किसी को कहा कि is there some issue with your liver? She said no everything is good. So I just told her ठीक है ऐसा है तो आप जब भी डॉक्टर के पास जाए एक बार चेक करा लेना. Apparently in just 10 days she had fever, so she had to go to the doctor and the doctor gave the test and they realized there was some issue with the liver. So sometimes what we also the person also would not know gets revealed in the session. So this is one experience. एक बार एक व्यक्ति आए थे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस लेकर. शी हैड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑन हर फोन. तो मैंने बोला आप फ़ोन साइड पे रख दो, we'll see how the whole thing happens. So she was quite hesitant. नहीं मेरे सब questions हैं, मुझे ज़रूरी है सब उनके जवाब मिलना. So still she kept the phone aside and we started the session and most amazingly जो भी जवाब आए उसी sequence में आए जिस sequence में उन्होंने वो questions डाले थे. So she was really amazed and so touched, and then she also did the program. She connected with Gurudev and she was so grateful that this Kal Gyan session got her to this amazing knowledge.
Oh wow. But there are a few people and I think we will all have those friends and family members who would always say अरे यार ये अंधविश्वास है. They would either not do it themselves or they would not let others do. So what is that message you want to convey to such people?
आई थिंक जब भी कुछ नया आता है लोगों के मन में डाउट ज़रूर होता है कि ये सही है क्या, मुझे करना चाहिए क्या. पर मेरा ये उनसे ये प्रश्न रहेगा नुकसान क्या है ये करने में. It's open for all. There is no compulsory fee that has to be paid. you know, you just in 10 to 15 minutes session, you will get so much to know about yourself, about why things the way they are. तो क्या हर्ज है, नुकसान क्या है ना? और माने या ना माने कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जीवन में जो हम नहीं मानते पर फिर भी है.
And Didi, like you said, past, like, which of course is not this lifetime's past, but maybe the previous lifetime's past also.
Yes.
So another question many people would want to know is that, do the scans often touch on the past lives and the unresolved karmic issues as well?
Yes, definitely it does that, because when we do a session, not all your past lives will come. So obviously जो सबसे ज़्यादा strong impression होते हैं या जो उनके लिए जिस पास्ट के बारे में जानना ज़रूरी होता है वही आता है, तो बहुत फ़ायदा होता है. जैसे आई जस्ट डिड अ स्कैन फॉर अ यंग बॉय एंड ही स्टडिंग इंजीनियरिंग बट ही लव्स टू डू चैंटिंग एंड ही वाज वंडरिंग, यू नो, मैं इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहा हूँ, मस्त लाइफ एंजॉय करो, पर बार बार मेरा मन चैंटिंग की ओर क्यों जा रहा है. एंड इन द स्कैनिंग वी सॉ दैट ही was in a gurukul and all his life he did chanting, and then when he became big he taught chanting to people. That is why in this lifetime he was so close to chanting, and no matter even if he studied engineering, his heart was still in that. So a lot of these cute insights about your past come to you, so that's amazing.
So does scanning somewhere heals also, maybe physically, mentally or emotionally?
It definitely heals, because you know you get answers and you get this kind of insight where you're not judged, because obviously when you sit with a scanner, he does not know you, you do not know them, and in that space what comes out, and when you're ready to accept that, lot of healing happens, and it does affect people. There was one session, we were doing it in a group, there was one lady, she just sat and she was just in tears. उसने कुछ पूछा नहीं, कुछ हमने उनको बताया भी नहीं, बस उस स्पेस में बैठकर उनको इतना अच्छा लगा कि आफ्टर 15 मिनट्स शी सेइंग आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग गुड एंड थैंक यू. You know, so it's amazing how just that space also can heal people. So it's not necessary, it always has to be words or guidance. I think just that energy does something to people. तो कई बार कुछ ना भी बोलो तब भी लोगों को बहुत अलग अनुभव होते हैं, और वो खुद बोलते हैं they felt very nice, they felt relaxed, a lot of their issues got resolved, they got answers to their questions. Also not only just spiritual questions, also many people have, okay, will I, you know, get a job, when I'll get promotion, I want to study more, which line to take. So they're very practical solutions and practical questions that people ask.
So many parents and maybe friends would be wondering, when will our most eligible bachelor friend want to get married also? Maybe that also can come up in scanning.
Truly.
Right. So Didi, I so want to know that, is there any kind of guarantee in this course? Any outcome that is sure going to happen?
You know, it's so amazing. हम हर चीज़ में गारंटी चाहते हैं. जीवन की गारंटी है क्या? नहीं है ना. So I think just come with an open mind, and also guarantee depends on how you take it. जैसे अगर कोई गाइडेंस आए और आप उसको फॉलो ही ना करो और फिर बोलो अरे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So I think it's very personal, and it depends on how an individual takes the guidance that's given.
And if somebody has a habit of doubting everything and they doubt the knowledge after Kal Gyan as well, what would be that one blessing that you'd want to give to them?
I think if someone has come up till Kal Gyan, then definitely they would have experienced it, and they will not have a doubt in their mind. You know, जैसे प्यास लगी है, पानी सामने, और फिर भी बोलो नहीं नहीं मुझे पानी नहीं पीना है, तो आकर भी डाउट करेंगे तो फिर क्या फल मिलेगा उनको.
Very beautifully said. How many people you might have scanned so far?
So I think around 750 people is what I have scanned till now.
So Alka Di, who do you think are the people who really need to sit for a Kal Gyan?
I would ask the other way around. Who does not need it? Everyone needs to know ना, अच्छा क्या है फ्यूचर में, अच्छा मेरा पास्ट क्या है, अच्छा प्रेजेंट में ये क्यों ऐसे चल रहा है. सो आई थिंक इट्स ओपन फॉर एवरीवन. प्लस इतना सारा डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू सो मच. सबको लग रहा है मेरा क्या होगा, दुनिया में ये सब चल रहा है, मेरा फैमिली सब ठीक रहेगा क्या. आई थिंक इट्स ओपन फॉर एवरीवन. आई वुडंट से इन्हीं को करना चाहिए, इन्हीं को नहीं करना चाहिए. जिसके भी मन में कोई प्रश्न है या कुछ जानना चाहता है, वो ज़रूर काल ज्ञान का भागी बन सकता है.
एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूँगी कि ऐसा गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जी के जहन में क्या आया होगा कि उन्होंने इतना ब्रह्म ज्ञान ऐसे इतना सिंप्लीफाइड वे में बनाया?
I think that is how special Gurudev is. वो बहुत मुश्किल और बड़ी चीज़ इतनी आसानी और सिंपल करते हैं कि हमें समझ भी नहीं आता कि what he has given us. But what Gurudev says is, in the world, lot of people are going through a lot of, as I said, depression, anxiety, and they have a lot of questions. And Gurudev in his physical form sometimes may not be able to reach everyone, but he wants to reach to everybody. So I think he's made these Kalgnani and scanners who can, be there for people, who can give people solace, answer their questions, give some light to people who are searching for answers.
There was some knowledge of Gurudev whereby he mentioned when the right question is asked at the right time, from the right person in the right way, is when that you might get an answer. So would you like to elaborate a bit about that?
I think that's very true when you're asking a specific question. But in Kalgnan, usually when you sit for scanning, first the Kalgnani will tell you something. It's not necessary it has to be a question. And then you can ask a question. So the answer is given from a higher knowledge or a higher space of consciousness. Yeah. So it's very different than a normal question answer session, what we usually would think it should be.
So you had this beautiful illustration of when a person is driving a car, they see just that much that they can see. Can you explain that to our audience?
So जब कोई गाड़ी चलाता है तो उसको सिर्फ आगे का रास्ता दिखता है या थोड़ा साइड का और पीछे का. पर अगर कोई एरोप्लेन में बैठा हो तो क्या होता है, उसको पूरा दिखता है ना, हाईवे दिखता है, रोडवेज दिखते हैं, लोग दिखते हैं. कालज्ञान का सेशन वैसा ही है. When you sit for a Kalgnan session, you're able to see everything, their past, their present, their future, not only one lifetime, it can be any lifetime of their past. So it's very amazing how from a higher consciousness, you can answers come.
I so have to ask you this now. How were you eligible and how were you given this knowledge?
Wow. I think it's just the blessing of Gurudev that he has made scanners and he has just blessed them. I really truly don't know what eligibility one needs. I think that only Gurudev would be able to answer.
And to end this podcast, I'm sure now all the audience who've seen this would so want to get this done. So how can they book their Kalgyan session, Didi?
So we have a link where all our Kalgnanis are there. Once the link is shared, you can take an appointment as per your time convenience and you can book a Kalgnan session with them.
And what would be the duration of that session?
So it's around 10 to 15 minutes, max 20 minutes, not more than that.
And is there any registration process per se?
Yeah, so you register yourself and there is a donation which is not compulsory. You can donate whatever you want to. It goes to all the Seva projects that Art of Living takes.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much for such a profound knowledge, simplified. Thank you so much.
Well, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.